Suppose you have had a perfect week, like you haven't missed a single workout, you have hit your protein target, even you have survived your leg day, and you're feeling good inside. I'm the fucking Alexander. Suddenly, there's a family function, or your mom has made favorite paratha, or you have ended up meeting a massive plate of biryani. And then you suddenly feel guilty, and your brain tells you that you have fucked up the whole week. And that guilt inside you just ruins everything. If this has ever happened to you, bro, you haven't failed at fitness. You just fallen in a victim cognitive bias. In behavioral psychology, this is known as the abstinence violation effect. It's tied too heavily to our deep thinking that viewing your fitness as either the 100% perfect or 100% ruined. And even Nobel laureate Daniel Kahneman breaks down how our brain relies on these flawed shortcuts in his book, Thinking Fast and Slow. Your brain likes easy categories like a good day or bad day. It distinguishes between that in a single short period of time or micro actions that you have done. Like you have just eaten a large pack of sweets. Brain instantly tells you, oh, you're fucked up. You have not been disciplined. So it's a bad day. You have ruined your day. That's how it works. But let's look at through the strict lens of mammalian biology and human physiology. Your cells do not operate with 24-hour clock that resets at midnight. Muscular hypertrophy is an actual biological process of your muscle fibers growing. It's simply a response to mechanical tension and a steady pool of amino acid, which is also known as proteins. That's why you eat proteins. One plate of biryani doesn't affect your protein synthesis. But using that biryani as an excuse to skip gym for the next 3 days actually affects. Now, this is a trap that is very dangerous for us. I know exactly what it's like to be standing there. Maybe you are 180 centimeters tall and you're stuck at 70 kg, a feeling like your metabolism just burns calories by breathing. And you walk into Desi Gym and every local bro tells you, भाई कुछ खा ले. And you are like, और क्या खाऊं? इतना तो खा रहा हूं. And you think of that typical Indian diet, which is inherently heavy on carbs and fats, but lower in complete proteins. You must have put in goal on one evening because of a heavy dinner at home, and the cognitive bias kicks in. You feel like a fucking failure. You stop training for the rest of the week, and you are letting your psychological illusion dictate your physical biology. What we do, we use a pattern interrupt. I want you to use this exact framework in the next time you slip up, and you will see changes. If you eat something completely offline and do not wait until Monday, do not wait until tomorrow morning. I want you to give yourself exactly 10 minutes to process the skill and execute one positive micro action. Just one. Just drink a glass of water and do 15 push-ups or maybe 10 pull-ups or maybe just go for a 15-minute walk. By enforcing this healthy action immediately after a failure, you physically rewire your brain to break that abstinence violation effect. You have to understand this that your body is just a biological machine and it's your mind that's holding the steering. Recognize the bias and break the loop. See you in the next.